Thank you for inviting us on set.
Thank you for being here. Thank you so much at nakaunlakan mo kami. It's been very fun now that Direk P's with us now this time.
Oo.
Ngayon na, sino kasama nating director? Si Direk Ian. And then, we're 3 units today and we're just so happy. We're so glad na we get to work with amazing directors. Ayun.
Sorry, bagong gising ako.
Parang ako yung bagong gising.
Pero bilib ako sa'yo, Donnie. Yun nga sabi ko, oh my gosh, talagang tinap lang si Donnie. Tapos talagang, okay, on character, it's time to promote.
Hindi, syempre sobrang happy lang kami na wait lang.
Okay, kaya mo yan.
Kami, sobrang happy kami na nagkakasama kami dito sa set. Syempre, mas naging close na kami lahat dito. And it's very nice to see the true family and the Binondo side slowly joining forces because sa mga unang episodes medyo magkalayo ang lahat eh. Ngayon, yung mga worlds namin medyo nagko-collide na. So, sobrang exciting lang kami sa mga darating na eksena and ayun, mas nagiging intense na ang lahat.
Alam mo yung sinabi yung pinagtagpo, ngunit hindi pinagtadhana. Kayo parang pinagtagpo at mukhang pagtatadhanain. May ganun na word, pero yeah, parang ganon, di ba? Like,
Hatadhana. You
You
guys are destined.
Yeah, I love it. Speaking of that, all your one-liners are really, blowing up online, di ba?
Wow.
Like, how do you feel about that?
Well, I think it's really Caroline's character wherein she really speaks substance kasi. It's really innate sa kanya na whenever she talks. To those of you wondering, bakit minsan quiet si Caroline? It's because when she talks, talagang punong-puno ng wisdom. And that's what I love about my character because she's silent but she's deadly.
Ay, bongga. Pero ito na guys, nakakatawa. You were saying na with you family in Binondo and it's such a fun place. Kanina, di ba, nag-live nga ako for a news kaya sabi ko, oh my God, lipat-lipat ako. Masasagasaan ata ako, may natutulog sa tabi ko. Napakaganda ng character na pinapakita nung lugar.
Yeah.
And it's also a star in the show.
No, I agree completely. Bingo coming from Binondo, parang nagiging seryoso to, parang nagiging parte na ako ng lugar na to kasi everyday na ako nandito. And I really feel like minsan dito ako nakatira. Alam mo yun,
Parang sa kuliglig.
naglalakad ako sa kali, tapos may sisigaw na, Bingo, kamusta ka? Bayaran na ba yung utang mo? Seryoso talaga yung nangyari. Tapos sabi ko, wait lang, ang galing kasi sobrang na-immerse na ako dito sa culture sa Binondo and I'm so excited to see more of it. Sobrang rich din ng Filipino-Chinese culture.
Sobra.
And we're so happy that we get to be here, and I'm sure marami pang lugar dito na magiging part ng mga eksena namin. More and more. We're excited to go, ano ba yan? Place hopping, place hunting.
Yeah,
may mga
it's
secret
different.
places dito
Binondo
eh.
tour.
Binondo
Food
tour yung mga
hopping.
ganun.
And it's not surface level. It's really parang, di ko alam to Di ba? Kasi pwede naman ako mag-food tour, pwede ka mag-food tour. Pero yung pinapakita niyo, di ba, you in the kitchen, you doing the kuliglig, and really, talaga yung mga tao sumasakay yung real to real nyo.
Yes.
Di ba? Parang wala
You know
lang.
what's crazy is that ever since we started the show, it's only been the second time talaga na I went to. I mean, sa show.
Oo.
I mean, as Caroline, I've been here so many times
Okay.
na. Pero as Belle, twice pa lang ako nakapunta talaga dito.
Ng Binondo.
Ng Binondo, before mag-show. So, it's so nice na I've given that opportunity to actually immerse with their culture here. And ang sarap ng food, oh my gosh. Bawat kanto may masarap na pagkain. So,
Ngayon nga parang minaamoy ako fried chicken.
Kaya
Hindi na ako
Saan ba yun? Sige, fried
Yun nga,
chicken.
parang ganun di ba? Nakakatuwa. Pero eto na guys, I mean, you guys are very successful already, but yung, I was talking to Nova nga kanina na parang iba yung impact. I mean, iba when you do a project, iba if it has, ibang taba pa na puso, if it has an impact, and the impact of this, di ba, parang there are creators now talking about the Hokkien, etc. Anong masasabi mo doon since the Chinese dito, di ba?
I'm so happy and I'm so glad that I get to experience Caroline's life. I think that's the beauty of acting too, and you're able to be different characters, and I think that's one of the reasons why I'm very passionate with what I do is that I get to learn from my character as well, but at the same time touch lives of the people who watch us. So hopefully through my character, I get to move people who watch Can't Buy Me Love.
Natatakot ka rin ba or may inhibitions ba whenever you execute such a delicate culture?
Well, yes, of course, but I trust the people who guide me, and of course, with the help of our directors, and one of our directors is actually
Yeah,
Chinese
yun
na
nga,
Ian.
yun nga, nakita
So
ko
sabi ko,
kanina.
oh my gosh, thank you so much. Kasi, of course, call out naman nila kapag obsidian yung ganyan. This
Okay.
is how you do it. So we really study it and we really try to immerse ourselves in their culture.
How do you study it? Naglo-lessons ba kayo right now?
Lessons daw.
Oh.
Ako.
Ikaw?
Yeah, we did, I did a 7-day crash course before we started shooting Can't Buy Me Love.
Mahirap.
Yeah, it was hard, pero ang galing kasi ang ganda ng language nila talaga. I know how to count. That's all I know.
Sansa ba?
Baka magkamali ako. Iti sasi go laksit kwe kauken.
Yan kasi.
Yeah.
Mandarin.
Mandarin
Oo
yun.
nga. Buti na lang may tayo.
Tama
resident.
po ba?
Oo.
Ay, wow! Tama
10
ako.
out of 10! Gusto ko yan. 10 out of 10 ka dyan.
So, yeah.
Approve ba?
Thank you!
Approve. 10 out of 10. But really, a lot of people, imagine mo parang binibreakdown, pati nagkaka-analysis yung mga eksena nyo, yung kinakikiligan sa inyo. Right now, again, I was talking to the earlier interviews and they were saying how professional you guys were when it comes to this. I know it comes from work ethics also from your parents. Ikaw, Belle, where do you get it from? Kasi nga, sobrang trooper ka.
Wow, trooper talaga. I think I'm happy that I'm surrounded with people who are actually, really game and sobrang babait na mga kasama ko. Sobrang nakakatuwa na kasama namin si Tita Nobody. Sobrang professional na lang lahat. So, through experience din siguro, doon ako natututo and I'm just happy that I'm surrounded with such amazing and kind people and talented artists as well.
That's nice. How about you, Donnie? Like, kamusta kayong dalawa, like, as a love team? You're so professional. How do you really get the gel going?
Wow, shit, the gel going. Well, to be honest, medyo bago to sa amin yung teleserye kasi first time namin mag-serye live. And ngayon medyo nakikita nyo naman, as Belle said, 3 unit kami. So, to be honest, it's been a lot of emotions, but we're just trying our best to be there for each other, to support each other, and kung anong pwedeng namin ibigay sa, or i-add sa script, or i-add sa characters namin, or sa eksena na we think will hopefully make it better for everyone. We really try to put that, give our inputs, and it does help that, the cast is very supportive towards one another, and that we're all just super, super motivated to come up with the best outcome for everyone.
Pasasalamat nyo na lang because you'll have your December 9th.
Oh, yes,
Sorry, promote
guys.
yung nakalagay doon.
Guys, this December 9, pasasalamat, Christmas party. Magkita-kita po tayo dyan, 5 p.m. sa Market.
December 9 po yan.
Yes.
Tickets po tayo. Sobrang excited po kami na makita kayong lahat. Sobrang excited kami na makita kayong lahat kasi it's been a while and alam ko ito yung pinakaunang out of parang personal. Parang
Face to face.
Face to face.
On ground is the word.
Ito yung pinakaunang on-ground promo natin ng Can't Buy Me Love. We are so much willing to see you guys face to face and we know that it's gonna be very fun because hindi lang kami ni Bella yung nandun pero
Some of our cast.
kasama ka ba?
Yeah, sama siya.
Hindi. Basta yung mga ibang cast members. Sobrang excited.
Super last. Kamusta yung wig mo? Kasi parang nag-ano ka, how's the wig?
Masakit.
Ba?
Marami na akong bukol dito. Hindi, medyo nandiyan pa naman siya. Okay pa naman. Dahil kay Jamin, yung makeup artist.
Kaya, pero pulido pulido. How's the wig going?
It's real hair, so I
Oh.
think it should be okay for a while.
And it suits you.
Really?
Yeah, I was like, it
Bagay
goes
naman.
on you.